Hello my friends, I have that CNC. After I assemble it, there is some requirements to have to resolve. Some of this is the limit switches. The question is, how is the function of the limit switches? It permits to stop the path of the axle. In other ways, it's possible to break the step motor. In our picture, we can find the limit switches that's inside a yellow block. We can appreciate the X, Y, and Z limit switches. If you analyze carefully this diagram, we can find the X, Y, and Z connection. At the picture, we can appreciate the X axis with a limit switch. It's a simple switch. We can verify at the diagram. Now we can see the Y-axis. And find the connection in our diagram. The next is Z-axis. As we can verify in our diagram, it's necessary to remark at the diagram we can find two switches. I use two switches for every axis, but the picture only shows one side. This CNC uses Bembox card as step controls, and we can find at the diagram the pins where we have to connect the limit switches. We can appreciate it at the picture where find the pins that we connect X, Y, and Z connection. We have to be carefully to find the pins in order do not mistakes and make wrong connection. Finally, we can see how it's looking our CNC with the switches connection. This is all for now. I hope it will be useful for you. Thank you so much.